What happens when you stop eating for 3 days? The answer is more complicated than just hunger and weight loss. From major metabolic changes in your body, 72 hours of fasting affects everything from energy production to cellular repair. In this video, learn how your body reacts, the scientific processes at work, and the surprising benefits and risks of not eating for 3 days. Stay tuned for everything dealing with how fasting impacts not just body fat, but also muscle preservation and the brain as it relates to overall health. Make sure to subscribe, as future videos will take more complex topics and break them down in a simple manner. At the start of a fast, roughly 6 to 10 hours after your last meal, your body initially uses circulating glucose as its main source of fuel. It does this with insulin from the pancreas, which helps cells absorb glucose for energy. As glucose starts to deplete, the pancreas releases a hormone called glucagon, which signals to the liver to break down glycogen into glucose. This shift is important because it marks the move from external energy sources to internal reserves. If the last meal was low in carbohydrates, then ketone production begins sooner. The liver releases fat as fatty acids, which convert to ketones. These ketones can be used as energy, especially when blood glucose is low. This stage often comes with symptoms like tiredness and hunger. These hunger responses align with peaks of ghrelin, a hormone that signals meal times. After about 10 hours, the body starts using energy stores other than glucose. By 12 to 16 hours, liver and muscle glycogen levels drop significantly. Meanwhile, ketone production increases. The body temperature drops due to a slower metabolic rate since digestion isn't happening. Research on those observing Ramadan has shown benefits at this stage, such as improved cholesterol levels, lower inflammation markers like C-reactive protein, and better overall digestion. Between 16 and 18 hours of fasting, the body relies more on fat breakdown for energy. Growth hormone production also rises, supporting muscle repair and metabolism. HGH helps maintain muscle mass by signaling protein synthesis even when nutrients are scarce. At the same time, brain-derived neurotrophic factor increases, supporting neuron health, memory, and learning. Around 18 hours, autophagy begins. Autophagy is the body's way of clearing out damaged cells and proteins and recycling them for energy. Think of it as an internal cleanup process. This supports cellular health. Short-term fasting triggers autophagy through factors like calorie restriction and higher HGH levels. Fasting is a proven, natural way to detox and can boost immune function by improving white blood cell activity. At 24 hours, glycogen stores are mostly depleted, and the body starts using stored fat for energy. This process releases free fatty acids into the bloodstream. For men, this often shows a higher rate of increase. The liver then takes glycerol from the breakdown of triglycerides and creates glucose from it through gluconeogenesis, ensuring the brain still gets glucose without immediate muscle loss. During the first 24 hours, muscle loss is minimal, contrary to popular belief. The body reduces protein breakdown to protect muscle. For leaner individuals with less body fat, this may happen sooner, but for most, the body finds enough fat to convert into energy. Higher HGH levels during fasting also help preserve muscle and boost fat metabolism. The scale may show weight loss after a week or two, which is often due to water loss as glycogen is burned, along with some fat. Fasting for 48 hours offers added cognitive benefits. Clinical studies have shown that fasting for 2 days can improve mood, focus, and alertness. Patients have reported feeling more focused and calm. However, adapting to this length of fasting can bring temporary side effects like headaches, body aches, and low energy, especially for beginners. Over time, these side effects lessen as the body adjusts to using ketones as the main energy source. By the third day, cellular processes such as autophagy and stem cell production further improve, aiding tissue regeneration. Hematopoietic stem cells, which create new blood cells, become more active. However, the body's resistance to extended fasting starts to diminish. Ketone production stabilizes, and weight loss slows. The mechanisms for muscle preservation work well for about 3 days, after which muscle tissue starts breaking down for energy. Several signs indicate muscle breakdown begins after 3 days. A study showed a 34% drop in muscle glutamine concentration after 72 hours. Glutamine is an amino acid crucial for building muscle proteins and maintaining muscle. When levels of this amino acid drop, muscle breakdown is likely occurring. Potassium and nitrogen balance are also important indicators. Any disruptions suggest that the body is shifting to breaking down muscle for glucose. Potassium deficiencies can lead to muscle weakness and cramping, so maintaining electrolyte levels is essential during fasting. Nitrogen balance, which relates to protein metabolism, shifts to negative after 3 days, confirming muscle breakdown. Fasting for up to 3 days can offer major benefits, such as better brain function, fat loss, and improved cellular health while limiting muscle loss. Fasting beyond 3 days can lead to starvation, nutrient deficiencies, and digestive problems. In one clinical study, a 41-day fast showed peak weight loss in the first few days. Ketone production was highest early on, with fat being the main energy source. After 3 days, the body may start using muscle protein to make glucose, leading to loss of lean body mass. The best time frame for fasting is between 16 and 72 hours. These periods maximize benefits like autophagy, brain health, reduced inflammation, and fat loss while minimizing muscle breakdown. In summary, fasting for up to 3 days provides measurable benefits beyond weight loss. It triggers key processes that support cell repair, enhance mental sharpness, and boost the immune system. Balancing these benefits with the risks is important, and fasting beyond safe limits should only be done with professional guidance. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more as we simplify complex topics. Stay informed, stay healthy.